Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to change your password on Interactive Brokers using the client portal. Let's get straight into it. First, head to interactivebrokers.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click the Login button. From the drop-down that appears, select Portal Login. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Type those in, then click Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the client portal homepage. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for a Head and Shoulders icon. That's your user account menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, click Settings. This opens another submenu. In that submenu, select Security, and then click Password. The password screen will now open. On this screen, there's a field for your current password. Type your current password here. This verifies your identity before you can make the change. Below that are two more fields. The first one is for your new password. Type the password you want to use. Your password needs to be 8 to 40 characters long, must contain at least one number, can't have any spaces, and is case sensitive, so keep that in mind. Once you've typed your new password, move to the Confirm Password field below and type your new password again exactly as you entered it. Once both fields are filled in, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Click the Continue button to submit your password change. Depending on your account setup, you might receive an email with a confirmation number. This usually happens if you don't have the secure login system two-factor authentication enabled. If you get that email, enter the confirmation number to finalize the change. Once the change goes through, it's effective immediately. Your new password will work across all Interactive Brokers platforms, the client portal, Trader Workstation, and the mobile app. Next time you log in anywhere, use the new password you just set. And that's how to change your password on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.